That was peacocks you just heard. And you'll hear more. And you'll hear geese talking too. There it is again, further away. They're all over this neighborhood. They've gone wild. Let's smoke a bowl of some real good dope. And I don't mean hard shit. I mean old school hippie dope. Weed. Real good weed. Listen closely as I smoke. Can you hear the crickets? This is what's known as a hemp wick. You light it. Then you light the medicine. And you don't get this in your lungs. A lot of people know about it, but then a lot of people don't. Beeswax. And it's hemp twine dipped in beeswax. Great for camping too. It's great for emergencies. The thicker the gauge, the better it is in the wind too. Yeah, that was a good one. I buffed on that bowl earlier. But watch out. I got my cat outside with me. Watch out, girl. There's a car coming. Watch out. Out of the street. Out of the street right now. Be safe. Be smart. Fuck, they're going way too fucking fast. It's a residential. Fuck. Slow down. You could kill someone's pets. Pisses me off. Every time people speed down my road, it really frustrates me. I'm like, do you give any fuck about the animals? No. It's people like that when you see an animal that's passed away on the side of the road and you wonder who did that to them. People like that. It really grinds my gears, as Peter Griffin would say. So, all right. Peace and love. See you later from Bosque Farms, New Mexico.